Hello everyone, we are from GRIT College, Triple Department. We are here to present our final year main project, Fuzzy Logic based control of washing machine using Arduino. We are a team of 4 members and I am Abhinaya.
I am Ashwini. I am Vasavi.
I am Srishti and we are doing this project under the guidance of Mr. M. Ramesh. Fuzzy Logic based control of washing machine using Arduino. As we know that washing machine is a machine to wash the laundry such as clothes and sheets. It is a drum with propeller to rotate or scrub the clothes. Once the detergent is added, the mechanical process starts to soak the clothes and the agitation takes place. This agitation and mechanical process is different for different machines. This can be set manually nowadays. We are implementing Fuzzy Logic to implement this automation using Fuzzy Logic control. To implement this, we are sensing 2 important parameters, that is the distance of clothes, which can be set by obtaining the sensing to contamination of water and the volume of clothes by measuring the increment in load current. These 2 parameters are given as input to Fuzzy Logic and then is programmed using Arduino. For washing a particular textile, a constant period of wash time and loop count can be set by using a selector switch.
Now you are going to see our hardware kit. We are considering a top-loading washing machine. You can see here a dribbler which has been fitted at the bottom of it. Also there is a pulley to it which is coupled to the motor to obtain to and fro rotations. After this arrangement, our basic model of washing machine is completed. To implement our Fuzzy Logic control, we require power supply, relay circuit, selector switch and Arduino Uno kit. Coming to supply part, we require 12 volt supply to energize relay coil and to glow the LED in the transparency sensor and 5 volts DC supply to give to LDR. For relay circuit, we are using 3 general purpose relays which are switched on by the transistor, which is shown here connected. The motor we are using is of special type. It has 3 terminals, 1 neutral and 2 lines. If the supply is given to neutral and say line 1, it rotates in one direction, and if the supply is given to neutral and the line 2, it rotates in other direction. We are connecting the relays in each terminals of the motor such that the motor gets the supply only when the relay coil energizes. Since the transistor acts as switch to the relays to connect 12 volt supply to it, it means that the relay closes only when the transistor is triggered by the Arduino. Parameter of the Fuzzy Logic, which is the dirtiness of water, is sensed by an arrangement known as transparency sensor. The construction of this transparency sensor involves an LED, an LDR and 2 test tubes. This arrangement, that is, the dirt sensing mechanism, uses the principle of LDR. The LDR is a component whose resistance varies with respect to the change in light falling on its face. The LED and LDR are placed in 2 test tubes separately facing each other. A cork arrangement is made to avoid the entry of the water into the test tubes. A small gap is maintained between the 2 test tubes for the passage of dirty water in the middle of these test tubes as shown. So, when the clean water passes between LED and LDR, the LDR is illuminated by almost full light of LED. Then, the resistance is less and the output voltage is high. Similarly, when the dirt water passes, it makes the light falling on the LDR a little low. So, its resistance is more and output voltage is less. We use this property to obtain variable voltage across the LDR depending upon the dirtiness of water. So, finally the output voltage varies with the change in transparency of water.
The other input to the Fuzzy Logic is the one which represents the amount of load in wash term. We know that the load current of the motor is more when its load is heavy and it is less when the load is light. We use this principle to take out the amount of load. Here, a current transformer is placed in the neutral of the motor so that the load current is taken out, but it is in AC. So it is converted into DC using diode rectifier which is placed across the secondary of current transformer with a capacitor in series. Finally, the DC current is obtained and it varies according to the load. This is how the amount of load is tracked. And these two inputs are given to Arduino. Here is the selector switch. The selector switch is used to obtain different wash times for which the machine operates. As for light or sensitive types of clothes like silk, they require less wash and more delay. And for heavy and thick clothes like blankets, they require more wash and less delay. In our project, we have selected few types of textiles like silk, terylene, cotton, woolen, linen, and last option as fuzzy in the selector switch. When each of these switches is selected, the respective program is selected.
Now coming to the software section, we are implementing our washing machine control using Arduino. Here is our Arduino program. It consists of 3 sections: initialization, setup and loop sections. In the initialization section, we initialize different variables required for the project as start motor, forward and reverse for motor terminals. Then voltage and current. Here the voltage is the variable which is the voltage across LDR from transparency sensor, and current is the load current of the motor from load sensor. Then the different types of textiles, that is silk, cotton, linen, woolen, terylene and fuzzy logic represented as shown. Coming to setup section. In this, all the variables are defined as inputs and outputs as required. As shown in the setup section, the start motor, forward, reverse, silk, cotton, terylene, woolen, linen and fuzzy one given to the digital pins. Voltage and current are taken as analog pins. Load section. The selecting of the pin can be done by the if-else ladder. By selecting different case, wash time is set. The revolutions can be given by programming command like digital write. The command digital write of start motor comma high makes the pin high, which makes the neutral circuit of the motor closed according to circuit. Later, the command digital write forward comma high and digital write of reverse comma low makes one of the line pin high and other low. This makes the line 1 circuit closed and line 2 circuit open. Some delay is given for some time by the predefined function delay. Then the motor rotates in to and fro motion for some delay given in the function. The commands digital write of forward comma low, digital write of reverse comma high makes one of the line pin high and other low. This makes the line 2 circuit closed and line 1 circuit open. Again some delay is given through delay function. Then the motor rotates in to and fro motion for some delay for certain count. Fuzzy is the function which is user defined. This represents the working of fuzzy logic. This wash time is based on the different dirt level and load for which the program is shown.
Now, finally, after uploading the program and setting the selector switch to a certain type of textile, say silk, we get the rotation of motor as this. We can observe that the motor rotation in each direction is less. Now selecting some other type like woolen, the motor rotations in each direction are more, as you can see. We can see that the motor rotations in each direction are more, and so the wash time. Now selecting the fuzzy logic, we can see it takes inputs from transparency sensor and load sensor and decides the wash time by itself and rotates. For less dirt and no load, the machine operates for less time and for less loop counts. Here, to show the increase in dirt level, we may put a opaque material like paper to obstruct the LED light on LDR. Now, as you can see, we can say that program with high number of rotations and count got selected and the machine runs based on it. We can conclude that the fuzzy logic based control of washing machine can give a rather efficient wash as its wash time is based on required dirt and load.
Thank you.